Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Wahl Power Pro Lithium-ion Rechargeable Cordless Dog Grooming Clipper Kit, model number 3024675. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, if you're a pet owner, you know how important it is to keep your dog looking and feeling their best. The Wahl Power Pro Clipper is designed to help you do just that, right from the comfort of your home. This grooming kit is a heavy-duty, cordless electric clipper that's perfect for tackling thick coats, making it ideal for a variety of breeds. One of the standout features of this clipper is its cordless operation. With a full charge, you get a solid 2 hours of runtime, which is plenty of time for a long grooming session. This means you can move around freely without being tethered to a wall outlet, making the grooming process much more comfortable for both you and your pet. Another key highlight is the max power high torque motor, which is engineered to cut through all types of pet coats. Whether your dog has a thick, curly coat or a fine, straight one, this clipper is up to the task. Just remember to cut in the direction of hair growth for the best results and a smoother experience. The Wahl Power Pro also features self-sharpening precision blades made from high-carbon steel. These blades stay sharp for longer, allowing for smooth, snag-free grooming. This is not just about aesthetics, it also creates a more pleasant experience for your pet. Fewer trips to the dog groomer can save you time and stress, and it can also be more economical in the long run. Customization is another important aspect of this clipper kit. It comes with 4 guide combs, which allow you to achieve even cutting lengths ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch. Additionally, the adjustable blade taper lever lets you modify the blade length for more precise cuts, especially around sensitive areas like your pet's paws and face. Speaking of sensitive areas, the kit also includes high-quality accessories like heavy-duty stainless steel shears and a detangling comb. These tools make it easier to groom your pet in areas where they might be more sensitive to noise, such as around their ears and face. This thoughtful inclusion ensures that the grooming experience is as stress-free as possible. So, who is this grooming clipper kit suitable for? It's perfect for dog owners who want to take grooming into their own hands, especially those with thick-coated breeds that require regular maintenance. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the prospect of grooming your pet, the Wahl Power Pro could be the answer you're looking for. It's a solid investment for anyone who values their pet's appearance and well-being. In practical use, you can utilize this clipper for routine grooming sessions, whether it's a full-body trim or just a quick touch-up. The cordless feature is particularly advantageous if you have a wiggly dog that doesn't like being confined to one area. Plus, with the right technique and the included accessories, you can achieve professional-looking results without the hefty price tag of a grooming salon. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: to maximize the health and longevity of the clipper's battery, it's recommended to charge it fully at least every 6 months. This will help ensure that your grooming tool is always ready when you need it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.